Hello guys, I gave an interview in a company called Clear HR and the interview date was the January 30, 2023. So the interview was based on the PHP and MySQL and the front end. So they asked me what is the Composer. So Composer is a tool for dependency management in PHP. It allows you to declare the library your project depends on and it will manage install update them for you. Okay. So if you want to create a new project, so let us suppose you have created my underscore project one folder and the initiate composer, so composer init, so it will initiate the composer. This create a composer.json file where your project dependency are listed. They asked me what is the routing. So routes define how URL map to the controller and action. So syntax is example.com controller method and then parameter. So for example, example.com is a URL, then slash controller, then slash method, and then parameter. So if controller is product, method is view, and parameter is 1, 2, 3. So then they asked me types of the routes. So I said the static routes which has fixed URL pattern. For example, routes get home double colon index. Then dynamic routes variable URL patterns with parameters. So routes get product slash colon num, products double colon details slash $1, dynamic parameter that is number. Custom routes define using regular expression. Routes add product 0 to 9 and 4, comma product double colon details slash $n. Oops, real world concept. Object-oriented programming system is a way of writing program where everything based on object. Objects are like real-world things, that is, a car or dog, that have property, characteristics, and method action. Private can be inheritance. Generally, no. No. Private member cannot be inherited directly in object-oriented programming. Which can be inheritance? Can extend any number of interface, public members and protected members. So they ask me what is the difference between the interface and abstraction. So if you don't know anything about anything, so that is the interface. If and objects that are closely related. Types of tables. So INNODB, best for application needing transaction data integrity and high concurrency. Key features support transactions, reliable data handling, support foreign key, relationship between tables, then uses raw level locking, better performance with multiple users are accessing the data, crash recovery to prevent data loss. Then MyISAM, that is the index sequential access method, older system with simple read heavy application. Then heap memory storage engine, best for temporarily fast storage for caching or intermediate operations. Then MyISAM, best for real heavy application that don't require transactions. So in summary, INNODB, best for application needing transaction and data safety. ISAM, old engine, no transaction or relationship, rarely used today. Heap, fast temporarily in memory storage for quickly operations. Then MyISAM, good for read heavy application or lack support of transactions. So they ask me what is the transactions. In SQL, a transaction is a set of operations that are executed as a single unit. These operations can include multiple SQL statements such as the insert, update, and delete. Transaction ensure that the database maintain its integrity and consistency according to the ACID property, that is the atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. Okay. They asked me what is the ACID property. So I said atomicity, that means all or nothing. Definition: a transaction is treated as single unit, meaning either all of its operations are executed or none are. Example: if a transaction involves transferring money from one account to another, both are debit from one account to the credit to the other must succeed. If one fails, the entire transaction is rolled back, ensuring no partial updates. Consistency, valid state. Definition: a transaction takes the database from one valid state to another valid state. It ensures that the rule and constraint of the database, such as foreign key checks, are always maintained. Example: if a rule says that balance in an account cannot be negative, a transaction that tries to withdraw more money than the available balance will fail, keeping the data consistent. Then isolation, independent execution. So definition: transactions are executed in isolation, meaning that the operation of the transaction are not visible to other until the transaction is completed. This ensures that the transaction do not interfere with each other. Example of isolation: if two users try to transfer money from one account simultaneously, isolation ensures that the final result is correct as if they were proceed one after the other, even if they are proceed at the same time. Durability, that means the permanent. Definition of durability: once a transaction is committed, its change are permanent even in the case of system crash or failure. The database ensures that the changes are returned to non-volatile storage like a disk. Example. Example of durability: if a transaction to transfer money is committed and the system crashed afterward, the transaction's effect, money transfer, will still be preserved when the system recovers. So in summary, or the bottom line is, for the acid property: atomicity, everything happens or nothing happens. Consistency, data moves from one valid state to another. Isolation, transactions don't affect each other's operations. Durability, once a transaction is completed, its change are permanent. So this question asked by the Clear HR, and the interview date was the January 30, 2023. So I will share more interview question. Till then, bye.